In today's video, we're talking about the best network currently in Nigeria as of today, being the what's today's date, 16th of June 2026. So I want to make a quick review on the best network you can get for yourself currently as a Nigerian. Okay, that is MTN Fiber X. Okay, so as somebody who have used different network in the past, I want to share with you my experiences. I started with this particular MiFi, this Airtel MiFi, and it has been serving me for a while now. Okay, but as somebody who works from home, I have used other MiFi, other Wi-Fi networks like the Airtel ODU, and then finally, what I'm currently using is the MTN Fiber X. Let me show you where mine is. Let me show you mine. Okay, so you can see this is the MTN Fiber X here. So you can see this is the ZTE model. I think it also has other models like that. So, but this one is ZTE model. You can see if you request for it, the MTN people will come to your place and install it for free for you. I attach this one to my MTN Fiber X. This is a power bank, but this power bank belongs to Airtel ODU. MTN won't give you this power bank. You can always get a power bank. You can see the code. You can always get a power bank with a MiFi code, okay, and then use it to support your MTN Fiber X, because once this light goes off, the MTN Fiber X will also turn off, and that means that your network will get disconnected. But when you support it with a power bank like this, then it will help you to sustain battery. Like this one now, it can stay for 7 hours after light is off. After if there's no light, this power bank can carry this stuff for up to 7 hours, which I have already tested. Okay, so you can see that's it about the MTN Fiber X. And if you check the back, you can see this is a different model from, I think there's another type. I've forgotten the name of the head. The other model is Huawei. I've been waiting. You know what I talk about now. So this, the MTN Fiber X. So this one, let me also show you the cable. So if you look here, you will see the cable that they mounted. You can see this is my former Airtel ODU. This one is Airtel ODU, which I'm no longer using. Well, that's the other one there is this cable is for MTN Fiber X. So it uses fiber, not this thing. Not what will I say now? Just know that it uses cable. Okay, and if you check, I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to zoom. Let me try to zoom. You can see this black stuff on this pole. That's MTN Fiber X. Let me zoom it well. Okay, my Samsung they sharp. You can see that. So this MTN Fiber X. So if you have this in your area, it means that your area is MTN Fiber X ready. Okay, so but if you don't have it, it means that your area is not yet Fiber X ready. So you need to have this installed in your area. Okay, this if you see people going around installing poles or mounting poles and then connecting cables and burying cables underground, they are MTN people and they are trying to bring this stuff to your area. If you don't have it in your area yet, it means that you can't have this MTN Fiber X. That means you should go for other available networks for now. You can't do anything about it until you have that in your area. Okay, so that's just it about this MTN Fiber X. This is the cable. I've shown you the cable here. Okay, and then here you have to connect it to your place, to your side. Okay, and then onto your room. You can see that. So that's how it was installed in my own place. So that's MTN Fiber. So let me get back and then share with you my experiences about the network and how it works and how I've been using it or how it used to go off sometimes. Okay, so let me get inside. Yeah, so you have seen the MTN Fiber X, you have seen the model that I'm using, that's ZTE. You have also seen how the cable is being mounted, how the pole is being installed. Like I said, if you don't have those things installed in your area, you can't have MTN Fiber X. It's been a good experience with MTN Fiber X all this while. Okay, and if you go to the website, you see the price there. The price is not hiding. The price is 30,000 naira. Okay, every month you pay 30k for unlimited data. It is unlimited. So some people do pay, do subscribe for maybe 2,000 naira every week or every day. I don't know, but some people, I know somebody that does 7,000 naira every week or every 5 days. The person will just do 7,000 naira or 10,000 naira every week.
Okay, and still yet the person, you will see this person managing data. You can't go to Netflix, you can't go to YouTube and watch videos. You can't download things, you can't download movies, you can't do things you want to do with your data. Every time you'll be on and switching, you'll be switching on and switching off your data. It doesn't really make sense. Okay, so if you need to be on data every time, like 247 connected, then you need to go and get the MTN Fiber X, if and only if the stuff dey your area now. Okay, so we do 30k every month. I had to share the idea with my neighbors, so I told my neighbors about it, and then how the stuff can also travel. While you can see, I live in a compound where we have four tenants. Okay, so myself and then 3 others. So I shared the idea with them, say, okay, let us contribute money and then use this stuff for leverage on this MTN Fiber X. So each of us, we pay 7,500 every month, so 75 every month to enjoy unlimited data in the month. So you have to get neighbors where they reason fine, like me. So if you must do something like that, okay, so you have to get neighbors where could feel reason fine, else it may not be favorable for you. So 30k might be too big or too small for you, depending on what you are doing or what you need data for. Okay, some people spend up to more than that every month just on data subscription. But if you can get this stuff and then you can share the idea with people around you, maybe in your area, in your yard, in your compound, they can, or your family, even your brothers or sisters. Though I know brothers and sisters, family might not like to pay, because they will say, you are my senior brother now, you're my elder sister now, so this time now you go to pay for them. Okay, but if you can share it with people, that is when you start enjoying it, because you discover that you pay less for a very big experience. Okay, so we do this thing every month, 75 each for unlimited data. That sounds very well now. Okay, and the data speed is very well. It's like if you are browsing, you'll be enjoying what you are browsing. If you are browsing the internet, if you're watching movies, being on Netflix, is high quality Netflix display. Okay, and we also subscribe for the Netflix plan. All of us are also sharing it. So everything we do for this compound, we just do and say we be family, but you understand. So we just shared everything and then we are enjoying everything. Okay, so for the data speed, like I say, data speed is very, very good. It's very, very good. Unlike my former experience with Airtel, maybe if you are in the area where Airtel is very active, maybe Airtel can still serve you. Okay, I have the Airtel ODU, like I've shown you that outside there, but it wasn't serving us. So we have to switch to MTN Fiber X, as immediately they brought this in our area. So it depends on what works for you or what your area actually works. But MTN used to say that their logo or their slang is everywhere you go. But remember, it all depends on where you are going to. It all depends on where you are going to. MTN it may not be everywhere you go for you. Depends on where you are or where you are planning to go to. All right. So if you can see the MTN Fiber X in your area, just go and get it. The speed is very, very fast. Like when it comes to downloading or when it comes to uploading, when it comes to sending messages or watching videos and everything, the speed is very, very good. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything about any detail about MTN Fiber X. The subscription I've already talked about is 30,000 naira every month. They also have other plans of 45,000 naira for 100 Mbps. Mbps is just the speed. Okay, so if you need faster speed, or if you guys are too plenty that you also need to this network to be very fast, you can also decide to do 45,000 naira every month. Okay, so if you guys are many, then the 30k plan might not be suitable for you guys. But if you go for the 45,000 naira plan, then it can now accommodate you guys numbers. Okay, so if you guys are up to maybe 15 or 20 that want to share it, maybe in a lodge, in a student lodge, you can decide to go for the 45,000 naira plan, and then you guys will now share it depending on how many you guys are. Do you understand? So that is what you should know. Then the 50 Mbps is what you get when you pay for 30,000 naira plan, and that is what we get every month, and it is still very fast. You can see my compound. Let me also show you my compound.
So you can see that this is my own apartment, and then this person up is also getting it. Then the people there, the guy up is also getting it with the family, and then also the people on this flat, they're also getting it. So that should tell you how fast for you. So if you guys are too many in your compound and then you want to share it even in your lodge, depending on how many people you want to share with, then the MTN Fiber X will still cover. But it now depends on how much can you people do. Okay, you people want. So depending on your number. So if you want a large faster network, then can go for a 45,000 naira plan. They also have higher plans, but these ones are the basics that people normally do. Okay, but
I think the 30K plan is still good if you guys are up to 10 or that kind of thing now. Or if you guys are more than, let's say, up to 20, then you guys can do the 45,000 naira plan and then share it by 20. Okay, do you understand? So that is what you should know about MTN Fiber X. So if you have any other question to ask me about MTN Fiber X, kindly drop it on the comment section, or if you have anything to also add to what I just said, also drop it on the comment section. But for me, MTN Fiber X is currently the best network you can get in Nigeria. I'm sure that they are competing with Starlink. You can't compare with Starlink now, because Starlink, I don't think they have any source for power bank. When light goes up, it just turns off, and their subscription is also very high. To even get the Starlink device is also very costly. So what is your choice? Why still using Starlink where you can use MTN Fiber X? What do you think about this video? What do you think about the current network providers in Nigeria? MTN, Airtel, Glo, or 9Mobile? Which one are you using, and what's your experience using all of them? I will be waiting for you on the comment section. Thank you. Remember, I remain your guy, Stand them out, okay. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please kindly give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for next videos like this. I will see you when I see you. Bye bye.